Hello everybody and welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Alexa and this is Life of Lex. So today I'm going to be showing you 5 super easy hairstyles to do for curly hair or straight hair right after you shower or if it's dry. So the first hairstyle, which I think is the easiest one ever, is natural and down. I know it's summertime and it's hot, but this is my hair right after I showered. So I shower, I put it up in a towel for like 10 minutes until I get changed, and then I put in these 2 products. I've been using these for like years, especially this one. So this one, first one, is the IGK Mistress Hydrating Hair Balm. So it's kind of like a leave-in conditioner slash a frizz resistant, whatever, helps with frizzy hair if your hair is frizzy. And this is just what it looks like. I get this from Sephora. I do not remember how much it is, but I will link it down below. So if you have curly hair or frizzy hair, this is amazing. And then for curly hair, I use this, which I get at CVS, Walmart, Target, just any of those. It is my favorite and it smells incredible, but it makes my hair like super wavy slash curly. So I run this one through my hair, and then for this one I just scrunch it all throughout my hair when it's pretty wet. When it's damp, it doesn't come out as well, and sometimes I have to add more water. But yes, this is my favorite thing ever for natural curly hair. Highly recommend. Second easiest hairstyle. For me, this is one of my favorite hairstyles. If it's kind of hot out, I put my hair half up. So I just go like this, I smooth out the top, and I just put it half up. So I actually do use 3 different things for this. So if I just want to go kind of cute and like just the front parts, I'll just pull this part like so, and I will clip it in like that, and then it's just out of your face, but you still have your natural hair down, whether it's curly or straight. Or I'll just do it with a regular scrunchie like this one. Or the third thing that I absolutely love to do is put it half up with a really cute hair tie. This one's a bow, and then you have this super cute bow in your hair to add something to your look. Hairstyle number 3 is something cute, and if you don't know how to do this, I'm sure there's tons of YouTube videos, or I can do a video on this, but it's just a braid. I like to do a side braid personally, just because I like my hair when it's in front of my face, but a back braid is cute too. I do a lot of French or Dutch braids, but this is easy hairstyles, quick, simple, so a braid. And most of the time I will use a regular hair tie, even though I wear scrunchies all the time, but for braids they just fall out. So that's number 3. Hairstyle number 4 is literally just a ponytail. I love these because it's summer, it's so hot out, and so I just throw my hair up with a scrunchie like so, and it's just cute and simple, and you can always like pull hair out in the front to give, you know, your face some structure. That was a lot of hair, but it's fine. I usually tuck it behind my ear. Yeah, like that. And then there we go. And messy ponytails are the cutest, I think, honestly. I like high ponytails too. So like up here, I think it's so cute. See? It's just like, and I love scrunchies because they make your ponytails super fun, especially like print ones like this cheetah one. And then hairstyle number 5 is, honestly, I think 95% of the time this is what my hair is in. A bun. My favorite hairstyle are buns. Because so curly hair, it looks really nice the first day when you shower. And then it gets kind of messy, and if I add water to it, it looks good, but by like the end of the day or the third day before I shower, it just gets messy and frizzy and crazy, so I just throw it up in a bun. And again, with this one, you can just play around with it, and it gets like messy and it gets loose, and I think it's just like one of the cutest things ever. I love wearing a low bun with hats and pulling out some hair in the front. I think it's so adorable and so cute, and like especially with a big t-shirt or a big sweatshirt for the summer. Just like a casual comfy look. And yeah, buns are like my favorite. Like I love this so much. So that's all I have for you guys today. This is another short video. My last few videos have been really short. But anyway, thank you guys so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video and you want me to do more like hairstyle type videos, let me know in the comments. Give us a thumbs up if you enjoyed it. Subscribe, tell your friends, share my channel, turn on the notification button, etc. I'll see you guys next time. Bye!